Guys, good morning. I'm here at Pumpuoy today kasi meron ako mga bisita guys from Philippines. And then, gusto ko lang i-introduce sa inyo guys. They have a Filipino food. So yung gustong mag-order ng Filipino food for delivery or for dine-in, you can come to Pumpuoy. Yeah, so they have Filipino food. Look at this. Very affordable price. Ayan, guys. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo guys, all the Filipinos here in Pattaya, you can have a Filipino food from Pumpuoy's restaurant. Ayan guys. Thank you guys. Ayan, search nyo na lang sa Facebook guys yung Pumpuoy's. I used to sing here also guys. Pag may mga special event. Kumakanta ako dito guys. So, thank you so much and this is Pumpuoy restaurant. Okay. Ayan. Ayan, medyo maaga pa ngayon kasi guys kasi wala pa mga tao kasi maaga ako pupunta dito dahil nilatay ko yung mga bisita ko. Thank you so much and have a blessed day everyone.